Good evening, everyone. Hope you are all doing well. So, this is Voice of Larynx. If you first are coming across my channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Please turn on that notification button. So, I really appreciate those that are also supporting this particular community. I really appreciate them. So, thank you very much. And those returning viewers, I really appreciate. So, that was too much our time, and again I'll drop a link to my community. You don't forget, just join the community so you won't miss anything. And if you have any question, you can ask the question there. Hope you are following me. And if you have any kind of if you need update on survey, like if you are trying to join the survey group, so you can just join the community and ask how you can join the survey. So I'll put it through. There are some updates that I post in my community I don't post here. So for you not to miss out, then just join the community now, so you won't miss out anything. So now, that was too much of our time. The other I have before is Leeds Africa. This Leeds Africa is a new platform. Yes, a new platform. So what the platform does is that they are going to pay for performing daily tasks, and you are going to perform sponsored posts. It's just like a remote site where you are going to do some tasks and you get paid site. So that's what the site does. But for this one, before you can sign it, you have to activate. Yes, that's the first thing. Now I will drop the link to this particular site in the comment section. Just go to the comment section and click on that link. Make sure you click on the link. So when you click on the link, it directs you to Chrome or any browser you're using. Then you fill in your details, put in your number and your email, your working email. So after that, you just sign up. After signing up, so these are our dashboard looks like, but you won't see any amounts there. Now the first thing I'm going to do that, you come to this particular place. Upgrade account. Now this is the most important thing. Okay, this is the most important thing. You come to upgrade account. Now this upgrade account, it has different plans. You can choose the plan of 750. Can you see, if you choose the plan of 750, you're receiving 450 welcome bonus, and your daily earning is 300 naira, and your referral bonus will be 400. So that support is 247. So now for this mid plan, their welcome bonus is 900, daily earnings is 550, while the referral bonus is 900. So can you see all those plans? So they have different plans. Now these plans depend on the amount you earn every day. Can you see, if you go for a lesser plan, this is what we earn every day, and if you go for a higher plan, this is what we earn every day. Can you see the difference? So can you see the difference between those plans? So this actually is not a Ponzi scheme. Don't you think this is a legit platform where you can make a lot of money? It's not that you are running a Ponzi business. No, this is not a Ponzi scheme. It's just a legit scheme. You are just going to activate the account for you to start earning. That's what this thing is just about. So you are going to after your activation. It depends on the plan you choose. Now, if I go for the 1.5 plan, and you see, the higher the plan, the higher the money you make. So I went for the 1.5 plan, and this is the amount of earning every day. Hope you are following me. So just come here. If you want to get the plan, just come here. So okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fund your wallet. You fund your wallet. Come to add funds. Now the next thing I'm going to do is that make sure you are not using OP. Please don't use OP for this. If you use OP, your money is gone. Use banks like commercial bank, like Access Bank, Bank, PalmPay, Money Point. Don't use OP. Can you see, they don't transfer money to OP from they are not receiving money from OP. If you transfer money from OP, they are not going to your money will not appear in this particular balance. So make sure you are not transferring money to, if you have your money in OP, just transfer to your other bank. And if you don't have another bank, just test what you have to transfer it. So that's that on that. So after activating your account, make sure you activate that first thing. Activate your account. Without activating, you cannot earn anything. So this update, make sure you take it very serious. Activate your account. That's the first thing. Activate your account. I see I'm running on the 1.5 plan. So make sure you after activating your account, just come here. Yes, to daily any activities. Can you see, you have your daily tasks and you have your sponsored tasks post. So come to your daily tasks. You may have done, you see something here that starts tasks. So when you start the tasks, you follow the instruction. Make sure you follow the instruction. So now the next thing is go to your sponsored tasks. So this sponsor tags, you see a particular instruction, make sure you read those instructions thoroughly before you perform it, or else they'll ban your account. Exactly, they'll ban your account if you didn't follow that instruction. So make sure you are following that instruction. Don't miss out anything. Make sure you read everything carefully before you take any action. Hope you are following me. So after that, this is where you are going to draw your funds. This is just choose your balance here. If it's your activity balance, choose it here. Referral balance, choose it here. So then you proceed your withdrawal. And again, you can also refer ahead. You can also refer. This is a new. You think I just say about this app that trying to drag traffic to their site. So at the same time, you can monetize anything you are doing on this thing, on the platform. So that's what they are just trying to do. They are trying. It's a new site and a new platform. That can you see some of the what's in there is under development. How will I put it? Like if you see buy cost now, this buy cost now, can you see there's no any premium cost? I use this spin and win. This thing is not actually working. All this is still under development. So they're always trying to bring traffic to their site so that their site can grow faster. And you see this marketplace, it's no product, nothing. It's just like a site where you can sell something, and where you can, yes, just like a marketplace. Exactly, where you can bring your product and sell, and also you can buy product. That's what I'm just trying to picture this platform at. They're just trying to bring the traffic to that site and make that site to go faster. Hope you are following me. So just try to understand what I'm saying. So now that's all about this platform. That's all. Just make sure you take it very, very serious. Don't snooze on this update. Don't snooze on it. So don't snooze on it. So just make sure you activate your plan. Then you start doing your daily tasks. If you are following, just do your daily tasks. There's nothing hard. So just make sure you subscribe to my channel. So anytime I drop any video, next time you are going to see the video. So and please don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much. Bye.